Module 5, Designing Innovative Business Models. Module Overview. Business model innovation is not just about tweaking existing structures. It is about fundamentally reimagining how value is created, delivered, and captured. This module emphasizes the design process of innovative business models, a systematic, creative, and strategic journey that enables organizations to build business structures capable of thriving in today's volatile and disruptive business environments. 1. Understanding business model design. Business model design is both an art and a science. It combines analytical thinking, data-driven market research, industry analysis, competitor mapping, with creative ideation, brainstorming, design thinking, scenario modeling. Leaders must balance these two sides, the logic of business strategy and the creativity of innovation. Key objectives of business model design include identifying new sources of customer value, challenging industry assumptions and orthodoxies, building scalable and adaptable structures, creating sustainable competitive differentiation. 2. Frameworks for business model design. Several frameworks have been developed to help leaders systematically approach business model innovation. The most notable ones include Business Model Canvas, BMC. Popularized by Alexander Osterwalder, it provides a visual representation of key business elements, customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key activities, key resources, key partners, and cost structure. Value Proposition Canvas focuses specifically on aligning products/services with customer jobs, pains, and gains. Blue Ocean Strategy framework encourages businesses to step out of competitive red oceans and create new market spaces, blue oceans. Lean Startup Model focuses on experimentation, rapid prototyping, and iterative design to validate business models before full-scale implementation. Each of these frameworks is not a standalone tool, but a complementary lens through which leaders can explore new ideas and structure them into viable business models. 3. Principles of innovative business model design. Designing innovative models requires leaders to embrace principles that foster creativity and experimentation. Customer-centric thinking. Innovation begins with empathy for customers, understanding their struggles, aspirations, and unarticulated needs. Value network orchestration. Leaders must think beyond the firm and design ecosystems involving partners, suppliers, regulators, and even competitors. Experimentation and iteration. Rather than waiting for a perfect model, innovative leaders test, learn, and adapt continuously. Scalability and sustainability. A strong business model must not only work today, but also remain resilient as the market evolves. Technology as an enabler. Digital platforms, AI, blockchain, and IoT are reshaping how business models function and deliver value. 4. Process of designing innovative business models. The design process typically follows these steps. Discovery phase. Explore customer needs, emerging trends, competitor weaknesses, and disruptive forces. Ideation phase. Use brainstorming, scenario planning, and design thinking workshops to generate multiple ideas. Prototyping phase. Develop visual models, diagrams, and mock-ups of potential business models. Validation phase. Test assumptions with real customers using pilot programs, MVPs, minimum viable products, and feedback loops. Refinement phase. Incorporate learnings, adjust cost structures, tweak pricing models, or reframe value propositions. Scaling phase. Roll out the model broadly, supported by organizational alignment, resource allocation, and strategic execution. 5. Strategies for innovative business model design. Leaders can adopt multiple strategies when designing innovative business models. Disruptive reconfiguration, rethinking cost structures or value chains, e.g., Ryanair's low-cost airline model. Platform thinking, building ecosystems that connect producers and consumers, e.g., Airbnb, Uber. Servitization, shifting from selling products to offering solutions or services, e.g., Rolls-Royce, Power by the Hour. Digital transformation, leveraging technology to automate, personalize, and scale business processes, e.g., Netflix streaming versus DVD rentals. Social and sustainable innovation, designing models that integrate social impact, environmental sustainability, and ethical business practices. 6. Challenges in business model design. Designing new business models comes with complex challenges. Cultural resistance. Employees and managers may resist changing existing models that seem to work. Market uncertainty. Customer behavior can shift unpredictably, making long-term designs risky. Execution gaps. A brilliant model on paper may fail in execution due to weak leadership alignment. Over-experimentation. Leaders may spread resources too thin by testing too many models simultaneously. Competitive copying. Even the most innovative models can be quickly imitated, reducing differentiation. 7. The role of leadership in business model design. Leaders play a critical role in vision setting, articulating a compelling future business model that inspires stakeholders, creating psychological safety, encouraging employees to experiment without fear of failure. Cross-functional collaboration, bringing together marketing, finance, operations, and technology teams to co-create models. Balancing exploitation and exploration, managing existing models while experimenting with new ones. 8. Case studies of innovative business model design. Amazon transitioned from an online bookstore to a diversified platform. E-commerce, AWS cloud services, logistics. Tesla reimagined the automotive business model by combining electric vehicles, direct-to-consumer sales, and energy solutions. Apple designed a hardware-software service ecosystem: iPhone, iOS, App Store, iCloud. Grameen Bank innovated microfinance business models that redefined financial services for the unbanked.